Well, guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall the dashboard, okay? For those who want to change from analog to digital. So, I'm going to show you how to install and uninstall it, okay? So, we're just going to need a few tools. First, a plastic wrench so we can remove the trim, and second, a ratchet wrench, okay? For those who want a ratchet wrench with this extension here and with the little wrench here, right, the 8mm socket, okay? So you're going to have to get an 8. Let me see if I can focus here for you, look. 8mm, okay? So, basically, you're only going to need two tools, a ratchet with an 8mm socket wrench and this one here. So, let's go. First, we're going to pull the steering wheel, right, all the way forward and all the way down so we can access it. Second, we're going to remove this trim here on the top, okay? That you can see. So, we're going to use the plastic wrench here, right? We're going to fit it here, look, at the bottom and pull it forward, look. So, we've already removed one side. Now we're going to go to the other side. Let's fit it here. We've already removed the finish completely, look. Pulling here, the finish has already come off. Now we're going to use the wrench, as I told you, with the 8mm ratchet. What are we going to do here on this side? As you can see there, look. Let me see if I can light it up for you. Here we have a screw, right, 8mm. And there we have another 8mm screw. So, we have to loosen these two screws here. So, I'm going to put your fastener here so you can see it. All right. I'm just going to adjust it here so you can see the two screws better. And that's it, all right, adjusted. Let's go. First screw, it doesn't matter which side, right? It can be right, it can be left. It's up to you. So, we're going to loosen this screw here. First screw removed, okay? As you can see, it's in your hand here, 8mm, as I told you. Let's remove the second screw now. All right, another screw removed. The disassembly process is complete. Now it's very simple. We're going to grab the bottom of the acrylic and pull the panel. Apparently, as you saw, it's very simple to remove. The panel has already been removed. Now we're just going to loosen the connector here at the back. It's a little connector with a latch, okay? For those who want to remove it, all right. The entire panel removed, very simple for you to see how it's done. This one here is the original plug, okay? So you can see what it looks like. It has this latch here at the top. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you. Here, look, we have this latch at the top. So, when we pull it back, it locks. And when we pull it forward, it locks too, okay. So, that's how we can remove the panel. So, here it is, look, the entire panel removed, as you can see, right? The back of it, for those who are curious to see what it looks like, this is the back. It uses only one connector on the side, okay? Digital panels use more than one connector. There are, if I'm not mistaken, 2 or 3 connectors and it's different. So, when you're going to change it to the digital panel, you need to use an adapter cable to connect, right, from this plug-in to the new panel, okay guys? First, as you can see here, right, I'm already showing you here the steering wheel keeps the original steering wheel, okay? No need to change it. Here, as you can see, we already have some layouts. I'm going to make some changes still, okay? The little car there that looks like it is a Passat, but I'm going to change it. So you can rest assured. Here you can see the layouts that we can use. So, we have several types of layouts that I'm mirroring the cell phone screen directly on the dashboard so that you can see the layout styles. There's this one, we can pre-configure it, right, to make it bigger or smaller. You can leave a YouTube video playing here in the middle. I'll put it up later so you can see the numbers here. We can change the graphics of the numbers. We can change the color of the numbers. We can change the color of the pointers. Okay, everything here is customizable. Okay guys, so we can customize. Look, we have the one for the RS2. Well, guys, as you can see now, I'm here with the dashboard, right? It's playing a video from my own channel here. The sound is coming out here on the car's stereo every 10,000 kilometers. Don't change it every 10,000 kilometers, okay? It will play on the original car's stereo. And here, look, I'm going to change the layouts so you can see how it works with the layouts. Different. For example, this one here, it's going to be thrown here, see? So, the mirroring will be here in this corner. On this side, you choose the function you want. And here's this layout. And then we can leave the Lamborghini one, we can leave this other one, we can change it there, right? To choose the layout that we're most interested in. There's this one here too, look, which takes up almost the entire screen, which is quite large, but it's flattened, obviously, right? Because the screen is flattened. And here we have several options, several styles. And I'm also going to put it here for you now. Let me open it here on the other cell phone, because it's the cell phone that's waiting directly on the screen. Okay guys, it will open maps directly for you. Look, there's maps open directly on the screen, see? And if I open WAS, let me see if A works, but it takes a while to work. Okay guys, we have the RS dashboard. When we accelerate, look. So here we have the RS graphics, they are all functional. Here we have the Lamborghini ones too. We have this other style here, both on this side and on that side. We can choose what we want to leave. If we want to leave the phone here and the GPS here, or if you move the GPS here and the phone there, are other configurations, okay? It's another thing too, we have this one here, look, which is also cool. We also have the original F layout, which is this one here. As you can see, this one here is the original layout. Perfect. And here we have the other various functions there, right, that we can change there, right, and everything else. Now I'm going to put a video here so you can see. Here we can also see, look, speed, alarm, oil temperature, right? It will also mark. So, we have all the original settings here in this layout, okay? Distance, trip, we have everything here the same as the original so you can see the car's information, the lights too. It shows here, look, how much fuel is left. It also shows the water temperature for you. Here is a way where you can select the menus, right, easier. So, we have this style here. So, if you want to change to another style, want to see? Let me find it here. Go back to the classic, which is this one here, which is the original. Look how cool. Now we changed here in the center. Look, how much is left to run. And there, if I click again, look, there it has already changed the little ball to something else. If I click again, it changes to the pointers. So, it keeps making the changes. So there is still a lot that I need to figure out that I will do in a next video for you, okay? And in a next video I will also talk to you a little about the installation and everything. Okay, now I'm going to film the screen mirroring for you guys to see. WAS and the map running here in the middle and also videos. Okay, I'm already adding it here for you guys. Saying that the videos that run here in the middle of the screen will have their sound output on the car's stereo, okay? Not on the cell phone sound, they'll be output on the car's stereo. Call me, Nobre Motorsport. Nobre Motorsport, the first in Brazil to bring the digital dashboard with all these functions. No one has brought the dashboard with all these functions to this day. Is it done, guys? Hugs. Bye, guys.